Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre bi-turbo engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The vehicle also comes with a colour coordinated front bumper complete with front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. The vehicle comes on 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke star design. The vehicle also comes fitted with a tailgate with a heated rear window. There is some transporter badging across the tailgate, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reverse camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The Kombi provides an excellent amount of storage space behind the tailgate. The vehicle comes with a rubber floor covering as well as having a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Over to the left, tucked behind the jack, is the removable as well as lockable Towbar. The vehicle comes with twin power sliding electric doors, behind which in the rear passenger area is a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1. The seats come finished in the bricks cloth fabric upholstery. As well as this, the rear passenger bench also comes with ISOFIX points. Up front in the driver's cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece and finished in that comfortable cloth upholstery as well. Plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, and in forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash there is an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows you to connect your smartphone device wirelessly through Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, as well as access all your favourite radio stations. Also included is the Discover Media navigation system with 3D maps. Located just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The Kombi comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. The vehicle also has access for the rear power sliding doors, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.